Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 930 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this QMS Medi Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream to try out. And this is the product that I chose in my August 2020 Boxycharm base box, my $25 Boxycharm box. And this has a retail value of $105, which is crazy to me. QMS is such an expensive brand, and honestly that makes me more excited to try this product out because I would never spend $105 on a tinted face cream. But that's why I love Boxycharm, because it lets me experience products that I would not purchase otherwise. And so this sounds interesting. I'm so intrigued to see how it is when I apply it because it says it's a lightweight, sheer, color adaptive cream. So I'll have to keep that in mind, that it's not claiming to give much coverage, but it only comes in one shade. So it's supposed to work for all skin tones and all skin types. It has vitamins and it's supposed to blur imperfections to reveal visibly glowing, even skin, which that is definitely something I need because I have the redness, I have large pores, I have blemishes I want to cover up. And it's also supposed to be hydrating, which is really great because I have combination skin and my chin has been really dry lately. I feel like it's from wearing masks. Like where I have my mask on, my skin breaks out, it gets dry. So like from my cheeks down to my chin, it's where my problem area is really acting up right now. And the packaging is nice. I like that it's the squeezy tube, but then it still has a pump. So I'm gonna just pump some onto the back of my hand. Hopefully this pump will work. I feel like I've been pressing it like 100 times now. Whoa. Okay, that's why, look, it's this really short little pump. So do I have to turn it upside down? Kind of squeezing it in. This is so weird, it's not working. Okay, $105 product and the packaging is not working. That's a weird pump, right? I feel like it should have the longer straw part attached to it. Okay, well, I'm gonna give up on that. So far, this is not going too well. Also, I wanted to mention, I looked this up on the QMS website, and the Active Glow Tinted Day Cream that they have on the website has SPF 15, and it even says SPF 15 on the packaging on the website, but this one doesn't say anything about SPF 15. It doesn't say it on the packaging, it doesn't say it in my Boxycharm card, so I'm guessing this does not have SPF to it. Okay, guess I'm just gonna have to use it as a squeezy tube. So here's what that shade looks like. I'm gonna apply it with my fingers because that's how I would apply a moisturizer, and we'll see if this technique works. I think it's adding some color to my face, like it's a little bit dark for my skin tone. But okay, so I'm just like squeezing it out this way. And I'm gonna start out by applying it to half of my face so that we can compare the difference. It does have a slight smell to it. It kind of smells like floral. It's a nice smell, but it's a little bit perfumey. Okay, yeah, this is a little bit dark for me. It's definitely looking orange on my skin, so that's a bummer. It's not a good shade match. And I didn't really think I would have to match a shade for this product since it only comes in one shade. Yeah, it actually looks like it's oxidizing on my skin, like it's getting darker and looking really streaky. Because yeah, it looks a lot darker and more orange on my face once I've applied it versus how it looks in the packaging. And I thought I was gonna have to take out more, but I think I took too much. Like a little bit actually goes a long way with this. All right, this is looking actually horrible on me, but okay, I'll try and get past the color and the oxidation. It's very hydrating. It's giving a shiny finish to the skin, but that's really all I can notice right now. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and kind of press it and try and blend it since it looks so streaky and uneven. Like there's no way I could just wear this as an all over my face tinted moisturizer. That looks so bad. Even blending it out with my sponge, it's still so uneven, so streaky. Go in with a little bit more. Not that that would probably help much, but when I first apply it, I'm like, okay, this shade could work, but it oxidizes so much, meaning it gets darker when I blend it into my skin. And maybe that's because it has that color adaptive technology, but it does not adapt to the right color for me. Oh my gosh. I can't believe how much of a disaster this is turning into. Well, okay, I'm just gonna take the rest of it and try and apply it. It has more coverage than I expected. It claimed to be sheer, but this is almost light to medium coverage if the shade matched me. Wow, okay. But even still, it just does not blend. It does not sit smooth on the skin. If I try and blend it anymore, it just kind of rubs away. And I mean, you know me, I'm gonna try and make a product work for me as best as possible. I never want to have a product fail, but I'm finding this to be really impossible to work with. Like, I'm gonna do a zoomed in view so that you can see, seriously, the texture. I mean, I don't even think I have to zoom in for you to see what it did. This is, yeah, I just tried to rub it on some more and you can see it just took off the product. I don't think I've ever tried out a product this much of a disaster. So it gave so much sheen to my skin. If I'm just like ignoring the fact that it doesn't blend whatsoever, it's very almost greasy shiny, so I don't even like the texture that it gave my skin. Well, if you have tried this product out and you have any tips on how to make it work, let me know. The only thing I could think of that I could get use out of this would be to mix this with other liquid foundations. Maybe some foundations that are a little bit too light for me right now. I could add a little bit of this into that foundation to darken it up and then add a little bit more sheen and glow to the foundation. But as far as using this as an all over day cream, it's just gonna be impossible for me to do that. It's even seeming to be a little bit pilly right now too, as it's been sitting on my skin and kind of drying down, settling in, starting to pill. So Oh gosh, I just really was so excited for this and it really disappointed me. But I guess at least I did not spend $105 on this, but I think I made the wrong choice with my Boxycharm product for this month. But thank you so much for watching my video today. I'm sorry this was such a fail, but I would still love it if you would like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.